This is our DVB T24 Fortuner for antennae DVB T2 digital TV receiver. Today one client asked that we tested it and make a video to show him before delivery. He especially cares that HDMI and CVBS video output can work at the same time. Firstly, we powered on the machine and manual search the TV channel. At 474 MHz/8M, it gets the 3 channels digital TV program from our local transmitter in the factory lab. The big screen is connected to the HDMI output, and the 2-side small LCD monitors connect to the CVBS output. From the video, you can see that the digital TV box is working well. If you have any questions about the digital TV boxes, please feel free to contact us. I will test and show you the video.